Hi learners, welcome to our channel Python Programming. In this session, we are going to start conditional and control statements in Python. Let's learn about ranges in this clip. The range function in Python generates a sequence of numbers. It's a built-in function available in Python programming. It is commonly used in for loops to iterate a specific number of times or over a sequence of indices. Hence, a range method is used to generate series of integers. The syntax for range method is range of start, stop, step. So to this method, we can pass either 1, 2 or 3 arguments. The first argument is start. This represents the starting number in the series to be generated. Stop. This represents the ending number in the series to be generated, but Python will always consider up to stop minus 1. The last argument is step. It indicates the difference between the two numbers in the series. By default, the value of step is 1. Let's see some examples. The first method, range, which is having only one argument here, it is 5. It means it is the stopping criteria. By default, range method will start generating integers from the value 0. So, the output is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Because range method will generate numbers till stop minus 1. Here the stopping criteria is 5. So till 5 minus 1, 4, the integers are generated. The second example, range of 1, 5. Here 1 is the starting value from where we have to generate the integers and 5 is the stopping criteria. So it will generate from 1 till 5 minus 1 the sequence of integers 1, 2, 3, 4. Here the step value is not given. By default, the step value is 1 and so the difference between the sequence of integers generated here is 1. 2 minus 1, 3 minus 2, 4 minus 3. The third example, we have 3 arguments here, the start, stop and step value. So this method is going to start with the starting value 1. And since the step value 2 is given, it is going to add 2 with the initial value 1 and the next value is going to be 3, which is generated by the method. In this way, the step value is added to the previous value to generate the next value and it is going to generate till stop minus 1. So 10 minus 1, 9. Okay. In the next example, we have start as 1, stop as 10 and step value as 3. It means we need to start from 1 and we need to have the difference between the sequence of numbers as 3. So 3 will be added to 1. So 1 plus 3, 4. The next value will be 4 plus 3, 7. And the next value will be 7 plus 3, 10. But the stop value given as 10. So the range method will stop at 7 because 7 plus 3 is 10. We cannot generate 10. And the next example, range 0, 1. Okay. Starting value is 0. So 0 will be generated. And stopping value is 1. It means 1 minus 1, 0. And hence the range method stops generating the values here. The next example, range of 1, 1. 1 is the starting value and the ending value is 1 minus 1. It is 0. It's a contradiction, right? So no value will be or no sequence of numbers will be generated by the example range of 1, 1. And Range of 0. 0 is the stopping value given here. By default, it will start generating from 0 and 0 minus 1 minus 1, and here also no numbers or the sequence of integers will be generated. Let's see some more examples. The step values can be given as positive or negative numbers in order to either increment or decrement the step values. So here the example range of 5, 0, minus 1 is having the starting value as 5, stopping value as 0, but the step value is minus 1 because we are coming from the maximum number to the minimum number. So it generates 5 first, and the next value will be 5 minus 1, 4, minus 1, 3, minus 1, 2, 2 minus 1, 1, and 1 minus 1, 0. Because 0 is the stopping value, we should not generate 0 here, and so this is going to be the output. What happens if the step value is minus 2? We start with 5. So 5 minus 2, it is 3. 3 minus 2, it is 1. But 1 minus 2, it is going beyond the value of 0. So the generation stops here. Next range of minus 3, 3. Minus 3 is the starting value. So the step value here, it is going to be assumed as plus 1. By default, it is going to be plus 1. So initially, minus 3 is generated. And minus 3 plus 1, it is going to be minus 2, the next value. And minus 2 plus 1, minus 1 is going to be the next value. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. And 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. And 2 plus 1, 3. But the stopping number is given as 3. So the range method will generate till 3 minus 1, 2. So the generation of sequence of integers is given here minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, and 2. The next example, range of minus 5, 5, 2. So the starting value is going to be minus 5 and the step value is given as 2, and hence 2 will be added to minus 5 in order to generate the next number in the sequence. So minus 3. Minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. Minus 1 plus 2 it is going to be 1 and 1 plus 2 it is going to be 3 and 3 plus 2 5, but the stopping value in the range method is 5 and so it will not consider 5 for generation. So it stops at 3. So in this clip, we just dealt with the range method, which is available in Python to generate sequence of numbers. And it accepts only integer arguments. It is having 3 parameters: start, stop, and step. Step value can be positive or negative for incrementing as well as decrementing. And stop value is always exclusive. And this is going to generate numbers on demand rather than creating full list in memory. So stay tuned and happy learning.